How's it going, people? This is Nate doing a quick little trade recap for the break-even trade we took during New York AM session on the 26th of January. And going into it, let's just see our analysis on the day. So 9:36, I posted in the premium channel, bullish towards these targets slash daily gap. However, there is no entry right now, so I was looking at previous previous highs within the month, and also zooming down a little bit to the lower time frame on the 15-minute. We have Friday's high. That was a high probability target for us. So going into the live stream slash morning, let's go to the chart. So we have, remember, we have the targets up above. Actually, select the replay. We'll go to and jumping into the open. What really happens? We have these objectives above us that we're looking to target, and we're looking for some sort of mechanism to enter. So some sort of manipulation lower, inversion, and then continue higher. But as you can see pretty quickly, we did not get anything of that nature. We're actually just kind of chopping around slash grinding up towards our high. And it was a little bit sad to see this objective get hit, knowing that this is exactly what we were looking for the morning, but not being a participant. That's okay, because just given the nature of this week and like the fact that it's a no news Monday ahead of FOMC, the Fed funds rate decision, naturally it's going to be lower probability. So you can't really expect to make a gazillion dollars on a day like today. And it's okay to see your objectives get hit without making any money. But we still managed to find an entry for a trade, and I'm going to show you guys what I was looking at. So chopping around first hour and a half, it was pretty disgusting. And we make a final leg down, make a leg down, and I believe on somewhere here, I entered longs. I entered longs just because I think price is starting to stabilize around these 15-minute highs that we were targeting. I think on the hourly, we looked extremely bullish, even though we were kind of slowing down at the highs. It seemed like we were regrouping to continue higher. So you can see, actually it was on stream, I entered around 8:51 here, stop loss at the lows. My entry is not perfect, and I was targeting the internal high, and let's see how that played out. Boom, we would have gotten stopped out. That is if I didn't move my stop loss. If you guys actually see my real execution, what actually happened was we were up 20-30 points, and for me, recognizing that today's low probability Wednesday we have FOMC, I actually adjust my stop loss so that the trade is risk free. And this is because I'm looking to play the momentum and quickly catch a trade to the highs, not necessarily looking to stay married to the trade and see a full stop loss. I can have my trade be invalidated as a break even, and I can also have it be invalidated when I'm taking a 20-30 point loss. I'd rather cut my trade a bit earlier, knowing that the setup is failing. And as you can see, we get stopped out. Price, I think, runs a little bit higher, and then ultimately we don't see our AM highs get hit, and there's going to be a full stop loss in a second. Yep, full stop loss. And this is just something like only screen time and intuition will give you. Most people will probably hold through and see a full loss, but sometimes cutting your trade early is the best course of action. And yeah, I hope you guys kind of see through my mind. This is streamed on YouTube for the premium, so it's unlisted, private. If you'd like access, there's gonna be a link below. And yeah, hope you guys have a good one.